The world of television illness acting is extremely competitive. It's a hard scene to break into. Advertisers tend to hire the same actors over and over. But me, I crossed that bridge a long time ago now. And when it comes to things like colds, flus and hay fever, well, I'm the best in the business.
Meet Herbert. Herbert is a normal, happy fellow, content with his life. Unfortunately, he has painful allergies. They make him miserable. But things are about to change Herbert's life forever. Would you like to be immune to allergies, Herbert? Well, Herbert, let me introduce you to Chroma-Sky, invincible to allergies. Now, Herbert, isn't that much better? Chroma-Sky, wouldn't you like immunity to allergies and hay fever?
Symptoms persist, please consult your doctor.
Anyway, I said to the casting director the day that you...
These guys, as well as being two of my best friends, are also fellow television illness actors. The one next to me is Joey, aka Mr. Diarrhea. And this one over here is Ruben, aka the penile dysfunction guy.
So, long story short, I didn't get the gig. Looks like it's back to the toilet for me.
Yeah, big typecast sucks. I mean, how's a guy supposed to show off his versatility if everybody's too afraid to give him a shot?
Well, at least being the impotency guide enables you to do a lot of ads on radio too. I mean, do you realise how few commercials actually get made for irritable bowel syndrome?
Guys, you think you've got it bad. I just did another hay fever commercial. I feel like I'm doomed to be the sneeze guy forever.
Hey, is that who I think it is?
Yep, that's Jonathan Quinley.
That guy's got it made.
Jonathan Quinley. He's done big time commercials for lung cancer, brain cancer, prostate cancer and heart disease. He even played a corpse on one of those forensic investigation shows.
I bet he could walk into any audition in town and get the gig.
I'm gonna go talk to him.
What are you going to say to him?
I don't know, maybe I'll ask for some career advice. Maybe he can put in a top word with some of those directors for me. Yeah, I'll talk to him.
It's his funeral.
Bit of speed.
Excuse me,
Well,
Mr. Quinley.
yeah,
Mr. Quinley, I'm a big fan.
Yeah, you and everyone else in the city, mate.
I'm actually an actor myself. You may have seen me on some commercials like allergies and hay fever.
That's me. You remember? I'm the sneeze guy. Mr. Quinley, I'm like...
Yeah, what are you, some kind of B-grade hack? Couldn't pay me enough for that sort of crap, mate.
I really love what you do, Mr. Quinley. I was wondering...
I'd like to go for test drive. We can organise that.
Actually, excuse me.
Mr. Quinley, you see...
Yeah, now I get it. You're some no-talent loser trying to leech off my success. You're pathetic. It's not my fault you can't act. People like you make me...
I'd look after that if I was you. There's one thing I've learned from doing pathetic commercials. It's that you've got to get on top of a cold before it gets out of hand.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I don't take advice from losers. I've got a car to buy. Go and harass someone else.
That's right.
So,
maybe...
You've got to get me cancer, Manny.
No. You don't do cancer. You do influenza and allergies.
My agent, Emmanuel Brown.
I don't want to do that stuff anymore. I'm sick of it.
What do you mean you're sick of it? You're the sneeze guy. You have always been the sneeze guy.
Manny, you're not listening to me. Nobody respects the sneeze guy. All the big names are doing cancer commercials. That's what I want to do.
Cancer? Come on, Derek. That's big time stuff. Those actors out there, they'll eat you alive, Derek. The notion of you abandoning your persona just to chase a couple of lousy bucks. It's ridiculous.
Manny, listen to me. I'm not the sneeze guy anymore, okay? Find me a cancer audition, otherwise I'm leaving this office. And I'm finding a new agent.
Thanks for coming by today.
see you real soon.
Derek Miller,
Yes.
Take it away, Derek.
Well, this was it. My big shot. The part was for a man diagnosed with lung cancer. I gave it my all. I was determined to break free from the shackles of being typecast and really show what I was capable of. They said I was one of the best they'd seen all day. Unfortunately though, they decided to go with none other than Jonathan Quinley. Apparently his experience outweighed my great audition. It's just a shame for him that he was too sick to take the job. My name's Adam. I've been smoking all my life. Here I am with my beautiful wife Jane. We're on the last holiday we'll ever share together. My wife was the most amazing woman in the world, but now that I'm not around anymore, I can't tell her. A week after we got back, I was diagnosed with lung cancer, but it didn't take long after that.
It's my freaking head.
Excuse me, are you the cancer guy?
Yeah. Yeah, I am.
I like you better as the sneeze guy.